How to make app folders on Samsung Mobile. So first of all, go to the page where all your applications are installed. Then long press on a specific application. Then drag that application with another app. Now you can see that a folder will be created. You can tap on the circle icon in order to change the color of the folder as well. Once you do so, tap on this cross button. Then you can tap on this plus button in order to add other various apps as well. Now if you go back, you can see folder name option. You can tap on it and you can name your folder as well. For now, I'm going to just name it as random. Then tap on Done on your keyboard. So that's how simply you could create app folders on Samsung Mobile. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.